Hello everyone, welcome back. This is problem 7 of the fall AMC 10, 2021 fall AMC 10A, and it's a pretty easy geometry one. Okay. As shown in the figure below, point E lies on the opposite half plane determined by the line CD from point A so that the angle CDE is 110 degrees. Point F lies on AD so that DE is equal to, sorry, my line looks bad. DE is equal to DF. So, you know what? It's better if I just, these are equivalent. What is the degree measure of AFE? So, we're asked to find this. So right here, we know that this is ABCD is a square. This means that all interior angles must be 90, and they sum up to 360. So if this is 90 right here, then this must be 270. So next we find this angle, because we know that these two angles will be congruent, by doing 270 minus 110. And again, we got 270 because this is a square. This is 90 degrees. 360 minus 110 minus 90 is 160. So we get that the angle FDE, so angle FDE is 160 degrees. We know that FD, or DF and DE are congruent, and their angles are congruent because it's an isosceles triangle. So the two congruent angles add up to 20 because the interior angles of a triangle add up to 180, so we know each is 10, and this is just 180, so 180 degrees minus 10, and just to be clear, this right here is 10, angle EFD is 10, as well as angle FED. So here's your answer. 180 minus 10 is 170 degrees. Our answer is D. Have a nice day.